Took this little bad boy, season pass. Right, I think it's season pass. Yeah, season pass.
It is.
It takes 73 laps, 75 laps.
I think it's when you drive on the weekend, it's 75 laps. Yeah.
It takes 75 laps to make up for a season pass because the pass costs like 2,200 euro.
Yeah.
A lot of money. But back to the track. Parts of the track. You paid 2,200 euro for this track, so he's gonna use all of it.
You paid for the whole track?
And you paid for the car, so it's gonna drive it like you stole it. Oh man.
Come on.
Okay. Some cool cars passing by. tell you how fast he's going because, man, I'll tell you right, he's just going fast. He's going really fast. Like so sore from death gripping my camera because of this ride.
One thing I have to say about today is the other drivers really pay attention for
oh, the other drivers
what's happening.
Yeah, they do. They're definitely giving you the right of
Yeah, that's the part where the oil spill is.
oh,
Take this
oh,
one behind.
wow. I would still not even want to drive on that. There. We're gonna see some good photos later.
Yeah.
To the corner. Nice. Big lift off. Oh, safety car.
For me.
My goodness.
That's gonna be it.
Yeah? Oh, you're gonna get sub 8? I know you are. It's gonna be a sub 8. Oh, shoot. Oh, yes. Come on. You got this.
We can do it.
You got this.
Nice.
Ooh, 750, 4
Nice.
folks. Oh my goodness, sub 8. Jeez, that was good. That was a good job. Oh my god. Oh, you know, I think the last lap, when they were putting the oil spill kit on the ground, I think that's what messed you up.
Yeah.
But either or, you drive like a madman. You represent the RCS really well. I'm sure we're gonna see. If you guys haven't seen, there's a lot of photographers on the Nurburgring, just left and right. We'll see some good photos. But man, my forearms, death gripping this camera. You make us all proud, Julius. You make us all proud.
It's very exhausting to drive like this.
Oh yeah. Woo. Hey, I will say one thing I definitely noticed is that the Track Edition, I definitely feel it. I feel more downforce in this car than my own car. I really do feel the downforce.
Especially the rear with
Yeah.
the wing.
Yeah,
in
especially with
fast
the wing.
corners, it feels so stable. It doesn't unsettle. It's just so stable.
Yes, I noticed that. I noticed it the most when the first underpass, when we first start. That's when I noticed the most grip and most nothing was bouncing. Everything was just super like stiff. Just planted, very planted. Man. All right, guys, that's me for today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Give him a follow on Instagram because my goodness, every time I say he's at the Nurburgring, I say he's at the Nurburgring. So, all right, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video. Peace.